A lot of cheaters have an ability to pick up 2 cards instead of 1. As you can see, one additional card has been added to cheater's hand. This type of players spend hundreds of hours to master this move, to make it look natural and seamless. This move is usually combined with a discard. So in this case, cheater picks up 2 cards instead of 1 and discards 2 cards as 1. To hide the additional cards from view of other players, this kind of card fun is involved. As you can see, only 5 cards are visible, even though 6 cards are in hand. And because in some card games these cards are allowed, it may occur during your game.